Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to quick and easily make a poll on Instagram with multiple answers quick and easily. First, let's go into Instagram. Then you want to select your story in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select the capital and common A right beside create. Then you're going to select the sticker. That's the smiley face in the square right at the top in the middle of your screen. And then you'll select quiz. And then you can type in the question that you'd like to ask, whatever that is. And then you'll type in the answer, or the choice is better yet. And there will be given 4 options. And by pressing the 2 right here, the 2 cubes right here, you will see a variety of questions pop up that you can choose from. And the thing I like about this also is you get an emoji with the question. So even if the question that they suggest up there isn't the one that you would like to ask, you can use the emoji to give your question a little vibe, you know. For instance, this question right here, perhaps you don't want to ask this question, you can just tap on the right beside the 3 dots, then clear it. And then type in the question that you like and keep the emoji. As you can see here. And then you press done in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. And by the way, you can also change the background, as you may know, by simply tapping in the circle right beside the arrow pointing down. By simply tapping on the circle. And then press send down by the bottom right hand corner. And that's it.